In this market analysis, we are about to delve into a recent forecast from Plan B, a prominent figure in the cryptocurrency space, which has generated considerable interest and sparked widespread discussion. Known for his influential stock-to-flow model concerning Bitcoin, Plan B has articulated a robust perspective regarding Bitcoin's future trajectory. His latest statements suggest that he possesses a high degree of confidence in Bitcoin's potential for substantial growth in the near term, which many in the crypto community are keenly watching. In a recent tweet, Plan B shared an image depicting the stock-to-flow model for Bitcoin, accompanied by a thought-provoking message urging his followers to shift their focus. He stated, "Forget the specific numbers, concentrate on the larger picture." This assertion is significant, as it invites investors to consider the overarching trends rather than getting lost in granular price predictions. According to Plan B, Bitcoin's value is set to multiply dramatically within the 18 months following the next halving event, aligning with historical trends observed through the stock-to-flow model. This historical precedent of Bitcoin experiencing substantial price increases post-halving has led him to predict similar outcomes moving forward. Exciting times lie ahead for investors who are closely monitoring this space. In his statement, Plan B encourages his followers to place less emphasis on precise price targets and more on the broader trend of Bitcoin's price movement. He emphasizes that the cryptocurrency's value is poised for a significant uplift, which is consistent with the past patterns recorded in the stock-to-flow model. This bold prediction has understandably stirred excitement among his followers, who interpret it as a promising outlook for Bitcoin's long-term value and market positioning. One notable response came from a follower of Plan B, someone well-versed in the intricacies of the stock-to-flow model. This follower made an insightful comment, stating, "N equals 3 for bulltops." This remark refers to the number of significant peaks, or N values, that have been observed in Bitcoin's price cycles according to the stock-to-flow model. The implication was that there have been 3 major bull market peaks thus far, with the expectation of a 4th peak possibly materializing by the end of 2025. In response, Plan B added further context to clarify his position on this matter. He acknowledged the point made by the follower but provided additional insights, stating, "Fair point. However, for simplicity, I omitted the 2010-11 halving, as it wasn't an official halving since the block subsidy didn't decrease by half. Nonetheless, the stock-to-flow ratio did double during 2010-11, so in my opinion, we have N equals 4. This perspective reinforces the argument that Bitcoin's price history has shown significant patterns that may repeat, suggesting a bullish sentiment among investors. More importantly, aside from the raw data presented, the stock-to-flow model offers an underlying reasoning. Scarcity drives value, and investors tend to favor assets characterized by scarcity. Essentially, investors have 3 primary options in this landscape: real estate with a stock-to-flow ratio of 100 valued at around $100 trillion, gold with a stock-to-flow of 60 valued at approximately $20 trillion, or Bitcoin, which boasts a stock-to-flow ratio of 120 but currently holds a market value of only $1 trillion. This line of reasoning emphasizes the importance of scarcity, adding weight to the N equals 4 data pattern that influences Plan B's analysis. In his response, Plan B elaborated on his findings, explaining that his examination of the stock-to-flow model has indicated 4 distinct peaks or notable jumps in Bitcoin's value. This includes one less frequently acknowledged shift that occurred in 2010-11. While this event was not classified as an official halving since the block reward didn't decrease, the stock-to-flow ratio did experience an increase, which Plan B regards as an integral aspect of Bitcoin's scarcity-based value framework. The central argument Plan B presents is that the stock-to-flow model's significance lies not only in its historical data but also in the notion that scarcity can substantially enhance value. In Plan B's view, there are limited assets available that possess both high scarcity and potential value, such as real estate, gold, and Bitcoin. The stock-to-flow model posits that assets characterized by high scarcity ratios, like gold and real estate, command high values. For instance, real estate has a stock-to-flow ratio of about 100, translating to a total market value close to $100 trillion. In comparison, gold holds a stock-to-flow ratio of 60 and a market value near $20 trillion. Bitcoin, on the other hand, features an even higher stock-to-flow ratio of 120 but currently maintains a market value of only $1 trillion, positioning it uniquely within this scarcity framework. This disparity suggests that Bitcoin's relative scarcity, when compared to its current market valuation, may imply considerable room for growth, particularly when aligned with historical trends observed after each halving event. This reasoning is what drives Plan B to predict a significant upward movement in Bitcoin's value following the next halving. By referencing the stock-to-flow model, He is suggesting that Bitcoin could follow a similar pattern of growth, potentially jumping an order of magnitude within the 18 months after the upcoming halving. Plan B's comprehensive analysis offers an optimistic outlook, suggesting that Bitcoin's scarcity, as indicated by the stock-to-flow model, could propel it to new all-time highs in the future. This perspective has become a focal point of discussion within the crypto community, igniting enthusiasm among investors and enthusiasts alike, who eagerly await the next halving and its potential impact on Bitcoin's price trajectory. As the market continues to evolve, many are keen to see how these predictions unfold and whether the historical trends will hold true in the face of changing market dynamics. For more Daily Dose Crypto news, check out these 2 awesome videos on your screen. Click now and we will see you on the next video.